Got the boat in the water finally. Donk running well. Everything's all good. We're just going to go for a cruise. So yeah.
The calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound?
G'day guys, today we're out in the project boat, as you see. She's in the water, finally. We just shooted out to our little island. It's not the best, it's blowing about 15 knots southwest. So we've just come to the protection of Little Island. So we're just gonna have a little swim and show you the boat.
With the ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution.
High.